we're ready to start the crossed spike stitch. So we're going to look at the next double crochet in the row we're working into and find the single crochet at the bottom of it. It's here. And then we're going to go over 2 to the left. So 1 and 2. That's where our hook is going to go in. And so we're going to then yarn over and pull a loop through there, and then we're going to stretch that loop out so that we can make it go across the stitches here up to our working round. And then we'll yarn over and pull through both loops. Then, so this next double crochet stitch that I would have worked into is here. I'm going to skip it and work into the one that's kind of hidden back here behind this kind of long loop. So we're going to go into that one and work a standard single crochet stitch. And then we're going to work the second spike stitch. And so the next double crochet is here. And we'll come down and find the single crochet underneath it, and then we're going to go 2 to the right. So here is 1 and here's 2. So that's where our hook is going to go in. Down here, we're going to pull a loop through there, and then we're going to stretch that, or not stretch it, but pull it up so that it's even with our working row, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. And then this next double crochet stitch that I would have worked into, I'm going to skip that and put a standard single crochet in the next. And then we can see our finished crossed spike stitch.